It's a beautiful day in Houston, Texas, home of MMLJ, who has led the service prep industry all season long. This team is definitely one to watch out for as we move into the postseason. They have an impressive lineup, and we are excited to see how they continue to match up against some of their toughest rivals in the league. Here's a recap of a few opponents Dustless Blasting has already defeated so far. Leading off for Dustless Blasting is the DB500, who has been unstoppable this season. With a runtime of 60 minutes and the ability to blast both wet and dry, its opponents haven't stood a chance. The 500 digs in against the tough graffiti restoration job and smokes this one into the wall. It's taken on some of the most challenging opponents this season, like powder coating, marine maintenance, and tons of residential work, yet makes it all look so easy. Up next for Dustless Blasting is the DB225. Although it's not the biggest player in the lineup, it's definitely one to keep an eye on this postseason. With a runtime of 30 minutes, it's surprising how efficient he is against some of these well-known opponents like automotive restoration. Definitely don't want to underestimate this guy. The 225 steps in. It blasts this one deep into the center of a patio restoration project, easily removing the paint and simultaneously cleaning the concrete. 225 has got the single, and now the DB800 is up for MMLJ. The 800 is who everyone has been talking about all season long. It's got a 90-minute runtime and has eliminated the toughest coatings the league has seen. You pair this bad boy with a large compressor and it's game over for any job in the commercial or industrial industry. The 800 digs in and sends this one down the line of a large commercial line stripe gig. He makes it home with plenty of time to spare. This is where the 800 thrives against long projects that require a ton of power and endurance. Dustless Blasting takes this one 3-0. Learn more about this impressive lineup at the link below or visit dustlessblasting.com to view the full roster.